Good morning, YouTube. What's up? I'm already back with another video. Today is the day. And you may be asking yourself, what day is that? Well, today is the day that I no longer get the monster truck fitment comments on Instagram, TikTok, wherever, you name it. That's right. EMD springs. You know what? Am I the only one who has a dog that will not go use the bathroom whenever it's raining outside? Like, yo, go. She just hates it. There you go. Nice. All right.
I got a right to live my life the way I want to live.
You really don't understand, do you?
Alright guys, so the springs are on. Of course, I'm happy with the fitment. The front looks so much better now. The rear changed a little. They're still settling in, so we'll see what happens eventually. But I have to say, now I might be crazy, but I think that my car rides better now with these lowering springs on it than it did OEM. My car always felt sloppy and kind of loose and rattly to me. And I thought, you know, that's probably just my car personally, you know, because I don't know what the previous owner did with this car. I am really happy with the way that this car is riding right now. It feels more connected. It feels, you know, I can feel the feedback of the road really good. It just feels tight. It feels firm. It feels, you know, precise. And I like that out of a suspension, especially with a sports car. So would I recommend these springs if you are going for a lower look, but you're not necessarily wanting to have a firm ride? Guys, this ride is not too firm. It's not too firm to not go with these springs. I don't know about H&R. I've never tried H&R or K&W type of stuff. This is my first time doing springs on a car, and I'm going to tell you right now, there's nothing wrong with the way that my car is riding right now. It doesn't feel that much more stiff. It feels great. And the stance on this car right now is looking perfect. So if you're thinking about doing EMD lowering springs, just go ahead and do it. You're going to be happy with the way the car looks, and the ride, you're barely going to be able to tell the difference. If not, it gets even better. So you know what I say, just go ahead and do it. Why not? So I'm officially back home from Empowered. My trip was good. Yeah, you do got to be pretty careful whenever your car's sitting this low. It's a part of it, right? It's kind of part of the hustle. It's kind of part of owning a lowered car. So I'm pretty happy with it. I know for one thing, I'm much happier with the way that it rides now, and I'm much happier with the way that it looks. I mean, if you're thinking about doing springs, just go ahead and do it. I mean, this thing looks incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and get some outside shots to kind of show you the level that it's sitting at. Seriously, if you're thinking of doing EMD springs on your F80 or F82, just go ahead and do it. You will not regret it, guys. I mean, it looks incredible. I'm so happy with the way that it looks. It just looks more proper, so.
I got a right to live my life the way I want to live.
You really don't understand, do you?
So I just wanted to give a review of what the EMD springs look like, how they felt on my drive home. I didn't want to go too extensively. into this, because I know a lot of people are probably going to buy them either way, no matter people say if they're good or bad. I want this to be short and sweet, and I think right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this car a wash as usual, and then I'm going to wait for the sun to go down and go get some proper pictures and video with my new camera that'll be here. Shout out to F80 Ho for that. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe, and peace out.